Here is how to use section in Figma design file. Now generally Figma starts off with a frame that you create. So I'm going to create a frame here. Slightly bigger one. Now suppose I want a particular section in the frame where I can organize all the images, or I want to organize some kind of collaboration, and I want that separate from the frame yet within the frame. That's when I click on sections. Now to insert a section, it's simple. Go to the frame region tool and you can click on section over here and you can create a section for yourself. Now you can use the section as a frame within a frame, or you can use the section as a text box, or you can use it as an image scroller. Whatever you choose to do. You can even add groups of elements within a section. Now I'm going to just very quickly over here change the color of my section. And put it at 100% for the border. I'm also going to fill it up. The same color profile. Of course, you can also lock the frame if you want, lock the section frame if you want, so that no changes can be made, no edits can be made. You can hide the section if you don't want it to come up in the final frame by clicking on the I button over here, and you can make it visible again.